With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A particle of charge q and mass m moves rectilinearly under the action of an electric field E equal to alpha minus beta x. Here alpha and beta are positive constants and x is the distance from the point where the particle was initially at rest. Then option 1, the motion of the particle is oscillatory when with amplitude alpha by beta. Number 2, the mean position of the particles is at x equal to alpha by beta. Number 3, the maximum acceleration of the particle is alpha q by m. And number 4, all 1, 2 and 3. We know from the definition of acceleration, that is A is the acceleration which is equal to force by mass, and we know force equal to QE, where Q is the amount of charge and E be the electric field which is given in the question, and M be the mass of that particle. So E is given as alpha minus beta x, so we can write that Q into alpha minus beta x by m. Okay, so at a equal to 0, sorry, uh, a will be 0 at x equal to alpha by beta, clearly, because if we put the value of x, that is alpha by beta, we simply get that a will be 0. So therefore we can say that force on the particle is 0 at x equal to alpha by beta. So we can also say that the mean position of the particle is at x equal to alpha by beta. Okay. Now in differential calculus we can write the A is v dv dx, which is equal to q by m. It is q times alpha minus beta x. So integrating on both sides, we have to multiply the x on this side. So v dv equal to q by m alpha minus beta x into x. Now integrating on both sides, we will get that v equal to square root of 2qx by m times alpha minus beta x by 2. So at x equal to 0 and at x equal to 2 alpha by beta, we will get v equal to 0. Okay, so we can say that x equal to 2 alpha by beta with mean position at x equal to alpha by beta. Therefore, the amplitude of the particle is alpha by beta, and hence maximum acceleration of the particle is at extreme position when x equal to 0 or x equal to 2 alpha by beta, and putting the value of this, we will get that the maximum acceleration, that is a max equal to q alpha by beta, this will be q alpha by m. Okay, so if we look at the options, we can see that all options are correct. So option 4 will be the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.